You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. When people are finally ready to book their international move, the excitement is quickly followed by a new kind of anxiety: paperwork. The question we hear almost daily is, what documents do I actually need before I can book my international move? If that sounds familiar, take a deep breath. You're not alone. The truth is, you don't need every document finalized before you book. But you do need awareness, knowing which items to start, which to wait on, and how the timing of each piece affects your overall moving plan. This 5-part guide will help you move from confusion to confidence, because once you understand the paperwork timeline, booking your international move becomes a smart, organized step forward, not a leap of faith. Let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions. Booking your move is not the same as completing custom clearance. When you book an international move, you're essentially reserving space and locking in logistics, container space, vessel schedules, and packing dates. Custom documentation, on the other hand, happens later. It's a separate process that depends on your destination's specific requirements. For example, a family moving from Los Angeles to Paris might book their move months ahead while still waiting for their change of residence certificate from the French embassy. That's completely normal as long as everyone understands the timeline. Problems arise when people book without knowing which documents they're going to need. That's when shipments get stuck at customs, duty-free eligibility expires, or you end up paying storage fees because your paperwork isn't ready. So remember this distinction. Booking is a reservation, not approval. You don't need to have every form signed, but you do need a roadmap of what's coming. If you're comparing international movers and want a clear door-to-door process, start with International Moving Company's overview. You don't need every documentation finalized, but you do need clarity. Understanding which forms matter, how long they take, and how they fit into your shipping timeline is what separates a smooth relocation from a stressful one. At SDC International Shipping, documentation is built into your plan from the very beginning. We make sure booking feels like progress, not pressure. Are you ready to move forward? Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to begin your stress-free international move today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.